All right, we have a lot of weather to talk about as we head through the overnights. Once again, we have a wind chill advisory basically for our entire viewing area, minus northeast South Dakota and some of the coldest air in northern Minnesota. So the most dangerous of wind chills will be in the Arrowhead. Right now, your temperature at Hector, 11 below, feels like 28 below zero thanks to an 8-mile-per-hour wind. But that wind is now from the south ahead of our next weather-making system that's going to be moving in this week. Coldest air on the east side, and that's where the core of air moved throughout the day today. So most of us spent the day below zero, and we are already at 23 below in Baudette, 22 below in Bemidji. It's 10 degrees warmer in Devil's Lake, but 12 below is no picnic. Gwinner right now, 17 below, and it's 18 below in Grand Forks. Factor in the wind, and we do have numerous locations in the mid-30s below, so it's critical that if you are traveling even a short distance, have things in the car to stay warm, mittens, gloves, and that survival kit. Take a look at these temperature differences here. We have 22 below in Bemidji, as 27 above, very warm in the western Dakotas right now. And it's along this boundary we're going to see a weather maker move through this weekend. More on that in a second. A few flakes flying out in the western part of the Dakotas, but we are clear for the most part. Tonight, temperatures will get the coldest in the early overnight hours. So between 10 and, say, 3 a.m. in eastern North Dakota, we dip down into the teens and even 20s below before they start rising towards morning. So temperatures begin rising for our western counties, but out east it's going to be bitter cold. And I do believe places like Black Duck, Bemidji, and, well, even Baudette could see temperatures dip down to near 30 below once again in a few spots. Now, wind chills will be 25 to 40 below as we go through the overnight. Tomorrow by midday, some of us already warming to zero, and then above for many of us. The best chance at staying below zero is where that cold core of air exists. By late Saturday, clouds will be on the increase, and I'll have much more on this system that's out to the west of us here in just a moment. Right now, we'll enjoy a photo of the Fosston area. Tyler uploading this dandy one during the storm and all of the lofted flakes of the sky interacting with the rays from the sun. Great photo. Thanks for taking the time to upload that one. Sunday, winter weather will move through out west in western Dakotas. Rain and some areas will get some icing. Temperatures not as cold in the morning and 4 above, but it's going to be windy out of the east. Snow in Fargo will begin, and there will be accumulation for many of our counties. The snow ends on Monday, but then the next Arctic air mass arrives, and this one even colder. In fact, some of the coldest air in the region for years, 30 to 40 below actual air temperatures, wind chills approaching 65 degrees below zero. That has not happened in a long time. This is Sunday. As we go through the afternoon and evening hours, models are now starting to shift the snow band more over the valley. Snow totals, you can take them or leave them this early in the stage, but the potential for precipitation is quite big. Many areas getting 3 inches, some right close to 6 inches of snow with wind. It's what that Arctic blob looks like as we get through a warmer weekend. Next week, by the middle of the week, the purple's back over us, and that's that real, very cold stuff that will be moving in.
Yikes.
Pretty ugly out there.
It is. You got to take it serious. You got to take it serious.
Yeah, we do. Thank you.
Yep.